Hello and welcome to Out Motorsports. My name is Tyler and today we're at the Jaguar Land Rover headquarters testing out the new 2021 Jaguar F-Pace. Jaguar Land Rover invited us here for the day to test this and the refreshed XF. I'm not allowed to tell you how the new XF drives yet, so make sure to subscribe and check back next week for our driving impressions on that. Starting at the front of this refreshed F-Pace, everything from the A-pillar onward has been refreshed. So the front fascia, the front bumper have all been redone for aerodynamics and looks, as you can see through there. The headlights and taillights are also updated. There are LEDs all around this year. Moving on to the side fender, that vent right there was actually designed after a chef's knife is what they told us in the briefing. And the front and rear tires are 265 width, front and rear, so that should help with handling balance. Moving on to the back, the taillights of this car have been refreshed, as well as the rear fascia. The taillights on this car are made to resemble the ones on the I-Pace that we tested back in December. So there's starting to be a little bit more of a family resemblance, and that has been done on purpose. The family resemblance also continues on to the interior. Much like the XF that I was just in earlier, this interior looks very similar. Everything has been refreshed in the same way. New door panels, upgraded seats, upgraded dashboard. So these seats have the embossed Jaguar logo, and instead of cloth inserts, they now have a leather insert option, as you can see. These seats are very much like the I-Pace that I was in as well. The new F-Pace does have the upgraded Pivi infotainment system. This system is 15 times faster to touch response than the outgoing system, according to Jaguar, and that is something that a lot of people complained about and that I think we could all agree this car needed. Another thing that I complained about in the I-Pace is the way that these infotainment knobs worked. You press and pull and do a bunch of different things to make them work. They're a little bit different than the I-Pace, but they are much more responsive. No more rotary dial for the shift lever, at least. You have like a more toggle option shift lever, and that made some more room for things like wireless charging, which this car also has new. So hopping into the 2021 F-Pace, we are in the P400 R-Dynamic model. This has the same straight six that was in the Land Rover Defender. In this case, it makes 395 horsepower, and it makes a lot of really good noises like your typical straight six, and a lot of really good turbo noises as well. The response of this turbocharged and supercharged straight six is beyond anything that I have felt so far. You get the whine of the supercharger and you get the whoosh of the turbocharger. There's just so much forced induction happening, and you know it. Right off the bat, this engine feels very strong. The interior in this car is completely refreshed as well, the same as the XF, and the outside front and rear fascias are refreshed as well. Around town, some of the previous complaints, according to Jaguar, on this car was the ride quality. The consumers who bought this and were less performance oriented disliked the fact that it rode a little bit stiffer. This one has adaptive suspension, and in comfort mode it's still a taut ride, but I would call it comfortable. When you put it in dynamic mode, everything sharpens up a little bit more, your gauges get red, and the ride gets a little bit stiffer as well. But for the size of this vehicle, it handles still very well. Everything is a little bit softer than the XF, and that's to be expected. It's a bigger, heavier car, but the engine in this is so far the standout feature to me. Maybe it's the BMW fanboy in me because I love a straight six, but it has personality. It makes a great sound. You hear the turbo spool up if you get on it in the lower RPMs, and it's really very fun and very enjoyable and an experience to drive. And that's not something that you can say about all of the vehicles in this segment. So this has been a quick first look and impressions on the 2021 Jaguar F-Pace that has been refreshed for this model year. I want to thank Jaguar and Land Rover for having us out today to this press drive. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Out Motorsports. And if you want to join in on the fun, we have our Rainbow Road Rallycross coming this August, where you can come and slide some cars around in the dirt with us and have a really good time. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.